Ear infection home remedies. A bad ear infection can be very uncomfortable if you have ever experienced it. Everyone experiences earaches at some point, but they are easy to treat if you know what to do. We will examine some of the best home remedies and ear infection medications. 1. Neck exercises. Infection-related ear pressure can be relieved by neck exercises that rotate the neck. Here's how you can rotate your neck. Standing or sitting straight is best. You should have your neck parallel to your right shoulder as you rotate it to the right. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. On your left, do the same exercise. Strive to reach your earlobes with your shoulders. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Throughout the day, repeat these exercises. 2. Garlic oil. Garlic oil ear drops have antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that can help kill bacteria or viruses that cause ear infections. Garlic cloves can also be soaked in olive oil for making garlic oil ear drops. 3. Ginger. When ginger juice or infused oil is applied to the outer ear canal, it is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, but should never be inserted directly into the ear. 4. Mullein. An oil made from the flowers of the mullein plant can relieve pain in the ears caused by ear infections. Almost all health food stores carry mullein tinctures as well as herbal ear drops. 5. Hydrogen peroxide. In order to prevent dirt or additional bacteria from entering the middle ear, hydrogen peroxide can be used to keep ears clean. You can use it to prevent swimmer's ear in particular. Make sure not to get too much hydrogen peroxide in your ear canal, but you should get just a tiny amount. Make sure you like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips. Subscribe to this channel.